What's up, everybody? We are doing a quick video today on the Brownwood Lofts. Real quick, I wanted to get out shout out to InsideTheBubble.net. He shared one of our videos on his website, which was pretty cool. It was a Hawkins video. If you want to see that, you can go check that out. InsideTheBubble.net. I was pretty pumped. I think that's the first time we've been shared on a website, so I thought that was really cool. But we're going to take a look at the Villages Lofts. There's a lot of things going on in the Villages this week. October 2nd, which is Friday, they're starting the live music again since the governor lifted all the restrictions. So I'll be out there actually doing interviews and things like that with the local villagers. So if you're interested and you want to see me or be on the channel, come down to the Brownwood Square. You'll see me walking around with the camera and all that kind of stuff, trying to talk to people, and I'll just be having a good time and doing things like that. So come check it out. Come up to me if you want to say hi or meet me in the channel and enjoy the video about the lofts. Alright everyone, so we are going to take a look at the Brownwood Lofts, which you see here. The lofts are located just along the north side of the Brownwood Square, which the Brownwood Square is actually to the left of our screen right now. I'll throw up an arrow for you when we have it in the picture. So the Brownwood Lofts are the first apartments in the Villages, which include the amenity fee, which give you everything that a homeowner would have. There's a lot of kind of back and forth about these apartments, I would say. There's some villagers that don't like the fact that there's apartments coming in, and there's also some villagers that are excited that the apartments are coming in. And I think that goes back and forth with the villages in general. Some people are always happy that they're developing, and some people are not happy that they keep expanding. You get a bigger look at the lofts here. You can see that they're over a pretty solid area here, and again you'll see Brownwoods over there to the right. Now straight ahead in your picture, right by that water tower, you are looking at the new woodworking shop that is going up. We'll have that video out for you tomorrow. I'll take a quick spin around the woodworking shop and the Eisenhower and the Rowan rec centers, so you'll be able to take a look at those. So back to the main topic of this one, the lofts. I'd be interested to see how you guys feel about the lofts. Do you think that bringing apartment buildings into the villages is a good idea, or do you think that bringing them into the villages kind of takes away from what the villages is about? I'd be interested. Leave a comment below in the comment section. I'll read some out in the next video. We are actually over pretty much the middle of the lofts right here. They do have 1, 2, and 3 bedroom floor plans, so you can get pretty much as big as you'd like, and then through the monthly amenity fee you have access to all the amenities that regular villagers enjoy. The square is not that far away. The retail, the shopping, all that stuff is really close. And then, like I said before, nightly entertainment is coming back October 2nd. So that's actually in just a couple days here. By the time you're watching this video, it's going to be tomorrow. Tomorrow night for the live entertainment, I will be out about in the Brownwood area, asking some people some questions and things like that. So if you're going to be in Brownwood Square for the live entertainment, let me know. I would be happy to talk to you and get you in one of the videos if you'd like to. You'll see me walking around. I have the camera and all that stuff, and I'll be talking to people randomly. It's a resort style pool. They also have an outdoor fireplace and barbecue. There are pet lawns, and then the golf cart parking, regular car parking. I think they're in phase 4 currently, which is why this one is still being completed. And that should be done probably within 2 months. I would say. I think they were supposed to be done already, but COVID kind of slowed them down a little bit. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you tomorrow for the woodworking and the 2 rec centers. And then I will have that video for you of the live entertainment at Brownwood Square and some interviews. Should be out Saturday morning. I will see you around. Thanks again. Make sure if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit it. Drop me a comment in the comment sections and give us a thumbs up if you liked it. And we will see you next time.